How to find someone in Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find someone in Discord. So let's just dive right into the video and look out on how to. So if you want to find someone on Discord, first thing is you can head over to Discord app on either of your devices. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this kind of interface on your screen. So to find someone, all you need to do is go over to the search bar at the top of the app. You can find add friends and a search bar available. You can use any of the method in order to search for people here. So just go ahead and type in the Discord tab. So you can type in the username followed by the 4-digit discriminator, or you can use other methods as well in order to search for their account. And you can just go ahead and add it by using that method. Otherwise, if you also know that if they are on a specific server, so if you know if they are on a specific server, for example, you can go to this section, and once you are here, navigate to the server, and you can use this search bar in order to search for the people that are available or that you want to add in the member list, from the member list to find them. So that is it for now. That is how you find someone on Discord following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.